is echt getrouwd met een kerel en die is wel 20 jaar jonger.
Wat?
20 jaar.
Wat afschuwelijk.
Ja, ik snap het ook, ja. Maar ja, het is wel een beetje een rare, hè.
Ja, het is altijd al een rare geweest, hè. Maar, Olga, moet je die daar nu zien in zijn camera?
Dat was ziet er ook niet.
Zitten jullie nou alweer te roddelen?
Niet?
Nee, dat doen we nooit. Ik vind dat zo verschrikkelijk, hè. Van die mensen die constant zitten te roddelen.
Ja, wij doen dat natuurlijk nooit, hè. Maar ja, weet je, ik heb gisteren op de televisie zag ik zo'n programma en dat heette de Showbiz. Ja, en dat deden ze zo roddelen over leraren. Maar dat was eigenlijk best leuk. Ja. En die twee dames die dat presenteren, die heten Megan Boedra en Iris Schijven.
Hier is de Showbiz.
Hello everybody, my name is Iris.
And my name is Megan, and this is the Showbiz. We are going to talk about the newest roddels and about other things that happens in school.
Our first onderwerp of tonight is Mr. Kapel. Mr. Kapel has a new clothing style, as you can see on the picture.
Yes, he loves G-Star, and he can also dance very good.
Yeah, see, and he has a G-Star blousie on, of course.
Yes, but you know who doesn't like G-Star?
Well,
Mevrouw Schijven.
oh, yes, she like Adidas.
Yes, you can see it on the picture that she trains a lot. She trains a lot, and you can see her biceps. They look like big puddings.
big puddings. Mr. Segers. Mr. Segers had it last about mannelijk and vrouwelijk and onzijdig. When he said, yeah, mannelijk are all the boys and vrouwelijk are all the girls and onzijdig, what's up?
Nothing.
And onzijdig, what's up?
You got me onzijdig!
But we know you are onzijdig.
No.
But onzijdig is like Megan.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I think he flouted himself. We have a picture of him with long hair.
Look, picture.
You know, when we were in first class. No, really. Flashback.
Flashback. When we waren in the first class, we had Mrs. Casper Frans. She learned us to tell to 10 like 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But then it was really weird.
Yeah, she act like a pig. Like,
It was like
and then it was so
Yeah,
weird.
you know who is also weird?
Well,
Mr. Hook.
Mr. Hook?
Yes.
When everybody is prating, he said, yeah, he's sitting on his table and he said, I look awful. A little like this.
Yes.
This look like,
Do you know about Mr. Mostert and Mrs. Magielsen?
no, what's with her?
Don't tell it to anybody, but they're getrouwd.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
Getrouwd?
Yes. And you know what is really funny?
Well,
She eats a lot of mayonnaise. Why?
no, I don't know.
Because that goes good with the mustard.
Oh, I got it, yeah. Ha ha ha.
Yes,
Ha ha.
that's fair.
What?
That hurts in my baarmoeder.
Are you pregnant?
No.
Is it a boy or a girl?
No, that says Mrs. Ranker. When you make a spelfout, she says, Oh, schat, stop it. That hurts my baarmoeder.
Is she pregnant?
I don't think so.
Yeah. Mrs. Spanker is pregnant.
Applaus. Alright, we go further. With the next onderwerp, it is the
Baby show. Here in letter we see an old picture of a leraar of us. And you have to know to that who it is.
The first picture is a baby on a potty.
Picture please.
Alright, Iris, do you know who that is? She's potty crosser.
A blonde baby on a flossing on a pot. No, I don't. I don't know.
Mrs. Van der Plas!
Oh, she's flossing on the potty. I get it. Yes.
Alright, the second picture, it is from a baby with a bard.
Picture.
Do you know who that is?
Yeah. Iris. It's Santa Claus.
No, it's Mr. Flint.
Oh yeah, you had it there too.
Yes. Alright, we go further with the third picture. It's a man with a stofzuiger. A baby, not baby. With a stofzuiger.
Stopzuiger man?
No. It is Roel the cleaning man! Alright.
Our next picture
It's
is
very special.
Picture please. Yeah, it's a photo.
Cleaning. Next picture.
Picture.
That's the wrong picture. I'm drunk at that one.
We are never drunk. We only drink applesauce. Next picture, please.
Alright. It's a baby on a surfboard.
Who is this one?
Mr. Neves.
Mr. Nix.
Yes.
Oh yes, he lives surfboarding. See the next picture.
But Iris, I have to say something.
A rubble?
No.
What?
We are at the end of the show.
Oh no.
Yes. But we want to thank Mrs. Hendrik for the really good English lessons.
Oh yes, and we will say to go or not to go. That is the answer.
We love Shakespeare!
Shakespeare!
Alright. Bye everyone. A good evening and have a nice show.
Hey.